Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So your description doesn't just sell, it supports SEO since most sellers ignore this. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to actually update your Etsy listing description for SEO. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first and first, we're gonna go through the Etsy platform. Look for Etsy, then Etsy.com. Come here all the way to log in using your email address and password to access this dashboard. It's time now to tap on Shop Manager in this top right corner to open your listing. So, in the description, repeat your main keyword naturally in the first two sentences. So, I'm selling, for example, shirts. I'm gonna keep the description small. Custom shirts are basically white shirt, black shirt for the size L or X, or basically it depends, M, S, XL, it depends on the size. Then add more basically informations about the product, original, basically made, for example, in the US or somewhere else, it depends on you. Then add detailed product information as I told you. Use bullet style formatting for readability. You can Google that, it's totally fine. Then save the changes. As for an important note, descriptions help with Google indexing, not just Etsy search. For like a pro tip, answer common buyer questions inside the descriptions to increase conversion rate. And that's the whole idea. So the conversion rate based on people who are viewing and buying, that's what we actually want. More viewers, more buyers. So thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.